What's going on, guys? It is Cam, aka the Rookie Trader here, and we are back with day 14. I hope everybody had a good Easter. I'm a little late to the desk, so we do need to quickly run through our screener here and see what is going on. I'm also curious to see. All right, let's go ahead and just run through the screener and check the news, see if there's anything we like, just the looks of. PFSA. Alrighty, let's see. PFSA. What is your news? Let's see it. Soars on deal targeting multi-billion precision diagnostics space. That's like okay news to me. My takeaway is they're targeting a deal. I don't actually have the deal. So that's not the strongest catalyst. Doesn't mean we rule it out though. This has some strong volume coming in on this candle. Okay, this one looks like something to do with the Apple infringement case. So that stock's doing good. Ooh. That wasn't good. Okay, and then we have W buy. W buy. What is your news, W buy? Let's see. Launches AI-enabled meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions. That could be decent news. We love anything AI related. There's actually a lot today, which makes me feel like it's going to be a little bit hotter today. Nothing there. IOTR doesn't have any news apparently. MLAC, no news. BTVD. This one has news. It's not really moving though. Okay, we're probably gonna throw on EXI, and then we'll throw on PFSA. Okay, we're gonna check TradingView real quick. See what's over here. We have FCOV. Really low flow on this one though. GV. W buy. Opening nicely. PFSA. Let's check out PFSA. PFSA is pretty extended from VWAP. Just have to see. MLEC. SafeX. IOTR. I'm checking the news here. So Perfusa does have good news. WBuy also has a good news catalyst. So I like WBuy and PFSA the most, to be honest. Now it's sort of a matter of just picking one. Okay, here's something I've made a mistake in the past of this. No way, he just did that again. I gotta figure this out. I don't have a lot of time. Whoa, GV's going a little crazy. That one's on our trading view. Okay. I'm closing the trading view out because it's causing my computer too much lag. We'll go ahead and set our long position here. Looks like we got a quantity of about 25. We're gonna go ahead and zoom in on the 1 minute here to get this more precise. So 25 shares with a stop at 1.85. AIXI is actually opening up really nicely as well. We have about 160 shares here with the stop loss at 0.2588. $160 shares. All right. These are our two really that fit our setup. So let's see. We have a few more here on the screener that showed up. That opened green, so BTBD opened green and MLEC opened green. We're just gonna keep an eye. Both of these look good in the sense that they both have good green volume. This one's below VWAP, so that's not the best, but this one's had a nice little move, pull back to VWAP, see if it holds and can break. Yeah, PFSA is not looking too good. We'll switch over here. Let's see, like, does this have news? What's going on? No news. That's pretty bullish looking right now over here. Yeah, I like the way this is looking a lot. I did move my stop up to under this candle here. I really like the way this is looking. Higher volume here. So our stop loss at 0.2820. PFSA no bueno. It has taken quite the fall here. Just gotta be patient, see if we can get the break. I don't want to. I could, hypothetically buy now, but we don't know it's gonna go back up. Gotta wait for confirmation. There's decent red volume here. I like that this is good green volume. We'll just wait and see. If this one doesn't work out, I think that's a pretty steep fall. That makes me want to move my stop loss back, even if it does break. Looks like F Cov halted. That one, F Cov was on our trading view screener. Man, we gotta get down to the computer quicker, I feel like, because the trading view screener always has the good ones. Always has the good stocks. Doesn't look like AI XI is gonna work out. I'm a little disappointed. 4 no trade days in a row. It's really tough. Looks like F Cov is our number one. Now PRFX is good. None of them have recent news though. So we couldn't really trade it even if we wanted to. Close that back up. Like, I'm curious to see what their news is on Webull, because surely it's got a fresh catalyst. What is your catalyst? Presentation. So I guess 2 days ago, what is that? Saturday, Friday. Either I guess because the markets were closed Friday, some of the older news is, I don't know, like what's this? Net loss widens. Doesn't like seem like it should be that strong, to be honest. And let's see, PRFX. Israeli drug delivery from pain reforms 2025. Net loss narrows. That was on the 27th. It looks like most of the stocks that are moving today have older news. I'm not really sure what that's about. Alright, I think it's worth watching to see what AIXI does on the 5-minute. We can see if the 5-minute ends up having a little bit of a curl, because it hasn't necessarily broke either side of the 5-minute orb. Just looks like another one of those mornings where nothing's really. There's a couple stock obviously moving, but you can't just play a guessing game of picking a random stock each day. You don't know out of the 20 most active stocks that which 2 or 3 of those are going to be the ones that are going up. Yeah, now this isn't tradable. It's got to move, big downside, small move, big downside, small move, big downside. This isn't tradable. So looks like it's another no trade day. And that seems like it's going to be the story of this cold market. I can't really just switch my strategy either. I've been focusing on this strategy for months now, so can't just change up. Yeah, another day looks like nothing else. But remaining patient, that's the hardest game to play as a trader, especially a new trader, being patient. So that's it. Another boring day, but that's how it goes. And Yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you did, make sure to leave a like if you enjoy watching these streams. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or takeaways that I have missed, or some encouragement that staying patient is the right thing to do. Because I love that. It really helps me be like, yeah, right, you're right. All right, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy watching my journey.